This is a story about a girl.
Atasha. Atasha po name ko. Diyos ko, napaka-formal naman nito.
Sige na nga, ikaw na magkwento.
Okay po. Tara at samahan niyo ako on my first day of school as an AB English student. Kinakabahan ako. Sa sobrang kaba ko, nakalimutan ko yung bag ko. Pero carry lang. Ang ganda naman ng view. OMG! View, here I come! OMG! This is it! My first day of school! Takin na ito sa puso sa kaba. Wow, MMOA. Hello, saan ba ako pupunta? Shucks, wala akong kakilala dito. Sino pwede dito pagtanungan? Ay, pati sila.
Hello po, do you need help? Kasi ano kasi nakapunta eh. Wait nga, kakina sa'yo. Bali, based sa COR mo, mamaya pa first class mo. Ganun ba? Napaagal pala ako.
What if sumama ka na muna sa amin eh? Dito. Oo nga naman, para, itindos mo papel.
Talaga po? Sure!
We're all guessing you're a freshie, right?
Opo.
Oh well, tara na, let's take a look at our pinakamamahang university.
Sure!
Wow! I still can't believe I'm finally here at Bicol University. You know, this place is so amazing.
Welcome, Natasha. Excited ka na ba?
Super excited, but honestly, I don't know much about Bicol University's history.
Oh, then you're in for a treat. BU has an incredible history. It was established on June 21, 1969, the Republic Act 5521.
Whoa! And fun fact, before it became Bicol University, it was made up of several separate institutions like the Bicol Teachers College and the Bicol Regional School of Arts and Trades.
Wow! So Bicol University was built from different schools?
Turunes!
Correct ka dyan, babe. Exactly. It was created to bring quality education to Bicolanos as an institution promoting scholarship, leadership, character, and service. And today, alam mo ba, it's one of the top universities in the region.
Wow! That's so cool! But what does BU really stand for? Like, ano yung goal niya?
Its vision and mission. We take this seriously here, huh? BU's vision is to be a university for humanity characterized by
Productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies.
That sounds so powerful!
Yep. The Bicol University wants students to become leaders and innovators, not just for themselves, but also for the community.
Whoa!
And our mission? All you need to know is that it's all about providing quality education in the sciences and arts, innovative research, and community service.
So in short, BU is not just about academics, it's also about making change in the society.
Wow! I feel even prouder to be a BU student!
But we should be, after all, Bicol University is all about service and excellence,
And as a freshie, you'll soon feel the BU spirit. It's all about hard work, resilience, and passion for learning.
I'm in for this journey.
That's the spirit. Welcome to Bicol University, girl.
Okay, thanks, Adan. Wait, oh my God. Malapit na yung class ko. I need to go. See you when I see you guys. Bye-bye.
So class, I would like you to answer this. Why did you choose AB English? Miss Bilon, can you please answer the question?
Diyos mio, sa lahat ng apelyido ako pa talagang natawag. So ano na nga daw, be? Bakit nga ba ako nag-ABEL? Ano to? Trip-trip lang? Char. Pero kasi dito pa lang nagkaka-existential crisis na ako.
Yeah, let's go home na girls, kasi we have something to talk. Wait. Is that Natasha, the freshie girl we met last day? Yeah.
Say hi. Let's go. Hi, Natasha. Remember us? Okay naman. Nalisa sila. Ay,
Siguro namin yung wala. Anyway, kailan sa birthday day? Kumusta naman?
For self-introduction, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yun, yung kung bakit special yung bukal.
You're in a late because Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, also known as BUCAL, is their creativity, communication, and critical thinking brand.
Yeah, that's true. It actually started in 2003 when the College of Arts and Trades grew to focus on humanities, communication, and language studies.
and now it's the home of future writers, journalists, public speakers, dictators, and even more.
Wow, that's amazing. But, nakukonfuse po kasi ako eh. Parang school ba talaga yung visions and missions ng Bicol University sa bukal?
No, because the vision of BUCAL is to be a center of excellence in arts, letters, and communications, producing graduates who are socially responsible and globally competitive.
Basically, it's about mastering language and creativity into making a real impact on society.
And the mission, it's about developing creativity and communication skills. And also, Bicol University trying to develop professionals that can help to boost communities through communication and arts.
Oh, now I really get it. Nga ba ito natin yung course at
Oh, great question. As for me, I've always wanted to be a professional writer ever since I could remember. And words are very powerful. They can inform, inspire, and challenge people to make.
As for me, I've been always fascinated by storytelling, such as books, scripts, or even articles.
It's really amazing. How about you, Kuya?
Also, well, because I love literature and philosophy. As you all know, language is words, and words is basically so powerful. It can shape ideas, influence minds, advocate for change.
It's really fascinating that Your reasons are very different, pero napaka-connected niyo sa isa't isa.
Yeah, and that's the beauty of our course. Whether you prefer teaching, writing, public speaking, or even digital creation, ABEL English is a gateway to so many careers.
And now, it's your turn, Madaka. Why did you choose ABEL?
Whew, I feel pressured, but siguro kasi I've always loved expressing myself through writing and speaking. And you know, I want to learn how language influences people and its culture. And honestly, I'm so excited where this course will take me.
That's a great reason, girl. Oh my God, I think you just found your new goal. Ano ba yung goal? Parang hindi ka sa akin.
Sige po.
Okay,